AI is everywhere right now, and let's be honest, it's not just some futuristic thing anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's booming. Over the last year alone, we have seen AI tools like Cal AI, Perplexity, HeyGen, Poe, Jasper, and Umata blow up online. These tools aren't just cool, they're here to also solve real problems in smart, simple ways. And that brings up a big question. What if you built your own AI tool? If you're a developer, entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone curious about AI, this is your moment to build and launch your own AI tool. And let me tell you why it makes the most sense right now. AI is hot and people are looking for smart solutions. You can solve niche problems that big companies or enterprises aren't touching. And yes, you can actually make big money and profits from it. You don't need to be a data scientist. With tons of AI-powered tools available today, you can go from idea to launch faster than ever. So let's walk through how to do it step by step. Step 1. Find your AI tool idea. First things first, find the right idea. Don't start with the tech, start with the problem. Ask yourself, what are people doing that feels boring, repetitive, or slow? Is there a task that could be automated or made smarter? Great ideas often come from everyday pain points. Think about it like this. Customer service that takes forever. Sorting through tons of documents, writing the same email over and over. Look at industries like healthcare, HR, real estate, e-commerce, finance, education. There are a ton of opportunities. Test your idea with real people. Ask them, would you use this? Would you pay for it? And if they say yes, you're onto the right track. Step 2. Choose a tech stack. Now let's talk tools. Because you need the right stack to build your product. So start by keeping it simple. For front-end, you can use React or Next.js to build your user interface. For backend, Node.js or Python to handle logics. In AI engines, you can use APIs like OpenAI, Claude, or Cohere, or fine-tune an open source model like LLaMA or Mistral. For database, Postgres or MongoDB, and hosting via Vercel, Render, or AWS. See, you don't need to build an AI model from scratch, but smartly use the powerful tools already out there. Step 3. Build the MVP. Now let's get building. You want an MVP, your minimum viable product. Just focus on solving one problem really well. Here's what you need. A clean and simple user interface. A place where users can input data or questions. Your AI tool doing magic in the background. A useful output and basic login and analytics if needed. You can use Stripe for payments and tools like Clerk and Auth0 for user accounts. And remember, done is better than perfect. Step 4. Test, iterate, and improve. Now that your MVP is out and running, get people to use it. Watch what they do. Where do they get stuck? What do they love? You can try using AI tools like Hotjar to see how they interact with your app. Use Intercom or Crisp to chat with the team. Keep it simple. Launch fast, learn fast, and fix fast. Step 5. Launch strategy. Finally, the time to go live. Here's a quick launch playbook. Make a clean landing page via Farmer, Typedream, or Webflow. Start collecting emails early. Build in public. Share your progress on Twitter or LinkedIn to spread the word right. Launch on Product Hunt, Hacker News, Reddit, and niche communities. Also, don't forget to make a short video demo showcasing your product and its USP. Show what your tool does in under a minute. That goes a long way. Step 6. How to make money. Let's talk about revenue. Here's a few ways to make money with your AI tool. For subscriptions, you can charge monthly or yearly for access. In pay-per-use, user buy credits for usage. For a freemium model, you can offer free basic version and then charge for pro features. Finally, for B2B sales, sell to companies who want a custom solution or let developers pay to use your AI via API. Start with one model, test it, and adapt. Lastly, I'd say that we're living in one of the most exciting times in tech. You don't need to be a genius or have a huge team. You just need a clear problem, a simple solution, and guts to build it. So take the first step, build it, launch it, learn, and grow. And if you want to build your AI tool the right way from the start, we are here for you. At CodeBrew Labs, we are helping 100 plus founders bring AI solutions to life, from concept to launch, with enterprise-grade tech, rapid development cycles, and deep AI expertise. Whether you're validating your idea, building your MVP, or preparing for scale, our AI experts are ready to guide you at every step. This guide was just the start. Now, let's build the real thing. Book your free 30-minute consultation right away. Just visit the link in the description and let's talk.